Mastering the Clarinet, a step-by-step guide to assembly. Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of music, specifically focusing on the clarinet. Understanding how to properly assemble your clarinet is crucial, not just for playing beautiful music, but also to ensure your instrument remains in top condition. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your knowledge, this video is tailored for English language learners to grasp the concept of clarinet assembly with ease. Let's get started. The clarinet is a woodwind instrument with a distinctive, rich sound. It's made up of several parts, each playing a critical role in producing its unique tone. Before we learn how to assemble it, it's important to recognize these parts. Mouthpiece, where you blow air in. Reed. Attached to the mouthpiece, it vibrates to create sound. Barrel. Connects the mouthpiece to the upper body. Upper joint. The top half of the clarinet with keys and holes. Lower joint. The bottom half, also with keys and holes. Bell. The flared end that helps project the sound. Before assembling your clarinet, ensure you have a clean, flat surface to work on. It's important to handle each piece with care to avoid any damage. A key point to remember is to always hold the parts by the edges to prevent any harm to the keys or the mechanism. Let's break down the assembly into simple steps. 1. Attaching the reed. First, soak the reed in water for a few minutes to make it more flexible. Then, attach it to the mouthpiece with the ligature, ensuring it's centered and snug but not overly tight. 2. Connecting the barrel. Gently twist the barrel onto the mouthpiece. Ensure it's secure but do not force it. 3. Joining the upper and lower joints. Carefully align the bridge keys on the upper and lower joints and gently twist them together. Make sure the keys do not bend. 4. Attaching the bell. Finally, attach the bell to the lower joint with a gentle twisting motion. 5. Final touches. Adjust the reed and mouthpiece position to your comfort, and you're ready to play. After each use, disassemble your clarinet and carefully wipe down each part to remove moisture and debris. This not only keeps your clarinet clean but also prolongs its life. Storing it properly in its case will protect it from damage. Congratulations! You've just learned how to assemble a clarinet. Remember, practice makes perfect. Not just in playing music but also in taking care of your instrument. We hope this video has been helpful and encourages you to embrace the joy of playing the clarinet. Thank you for watching, and happy playing! This structured approach simplifies the process of clarinet assembly, ensuring it's accessible and understandable for English language learners. By breaking down the information into manageable sections and highlighting key points, learners can easily follow along and apply the knowledge.